Oh, you guys, somebody delivered the biggest package at my house. I'm gonna have to take out time to to unpackage this. I mean, it's like massive, you know? What can be in it? It's from Amazon. What can be in it? I know it has something to do with my car, my Tesla. So let's unpackage this. One of my biggest Amazon packages, you guys. Is it a body in here? I hope not. No. But let's see what's in this Amazon package, you guys, because this is my biggest one. Yeah, and it is heavy. What's in there? Let's open up this package now. Oh, if I could. It's for my Tesla. My Tesla does need some upgrading. So what we got here, it's from this company right there, you guys. Make sure you check them out on Amazon. So I gotta finish unboxing this. I love doing my Amazon findings because I find some amazing things on Amazon. Yes, Amazon. This is for the Tesla Model 3. It's wheel covers, or you could call them hubcaps, but it sounds better, wheel covers. So let's see how nice this is. Let's review it. I like the packaging. I mean, they really packaged this really good. Oh, look at all that bubble wrap in there. Okay. Oh, snap. Look at that. Should I spray paint this pink, you guys? What do you think? Leave it in the comments down below. Should I make it custom? I love the packaging. It's very on point. Oh my gosh. They gave me gloves. I love that. Each one is packaged individually, and it looks like what else they're providing me in here is, okay, we got Tesla caps, and we have some tape. So it looks like it's a sticker. It's going to be very easy and simple to put on. You see the front like that, and then we got the full sticker. This is the sticker that I'm going to put around the rimming so it'll stay on a lot better. These are the little clips and everything you need. So I can keep my rims nice, so fresh and clean, because I have been scraping them lately, and I'm going to show you guys how bad I've been scraping up my rims. So if you're into like reselling your Tesla, or you're renting it out on Turo, then you might want to invest in these wheel covers. So I got a red Tesla symbol. I got the white. I like the white because, you know, my Tesla's white. And then let's see what this one is. Oh, it's the black. Just keep it nice and clean, right? Black on black. Extremely easy to install. They look so luxurious. I love it. Very classy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love making videos like this of product review and unboxing. Make for sure you subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Why not? Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.